Have a wonderful day, students. In previous video, I have taught you about the New York Times article of Dr. Perry Class. It is all about the advertisement that we know, dear friends. You should know about the advertisement. You know what is advertisement? Advertisements are like this. Here, one of the advertisements is given about the Zydus Hospital. Okay, comprehensive cancer center dedicated to life by Zydus Hospital. So here is one of the advertisement of the hospital. Clear? I have one more advertisement. It is here. See, this is about the bike. Okay, now bikes are sold in very large scale. You know, friends, all these type of advertisements you can see in the newspaper, television, mobile, and so many places. So here the topic is about advertisement, how children are attracted from the advertisement and how they victimized about some anti products which is harmful for their body. Now here, dear students, I will give you first idea about the word meaning and phrases for part 2. Overwhelmingly means very greatly, means very great. Pursue, convince, to make someone convince to do something. Strategy, move or tactic. Screen time to watch TV, means whenever you are watching television, mobile, computer, you are playing games, everywhere it is called screen time that you will have to reduce day by day. Cut down means reduce, and put out, to make someone not want to do something. So it is also one more meaning of extinguish. Okay, so these are the word meaning, and here three of the phrases of the chapter. Now here the article is from New York Times. Just I will read and explain you. Page 1 already I have explained you in the previous video. Now from there I will be continue for the second video. In one study, Dr. Robinson looked at the effects of branding by giving 3 to 5 years old 2 portions of identical food. One set out on McDonald's wrapper. The children were asked to point out which food tasted better, and Dr. Robinson said, no matter what food we laid out on the wrapper, overwhelmingly for hamburgers, French fries, baby carrots, milk or juice in a cup, kids would point out the one of McDonald's wrapper as tasting better. We know all very well the brand of McDonald's is very famous nowadays. So here Dr. Robinson's one of the experiment in front of the children. They wrapped the different eatables, clear, in the in ordinary wrappers, but one of the product is wrapped in the McDonald's wrapper, so that child point out towards the McDonald's item because of its name, its taste is very famous, its brand name is very famous. So this is the effect of the advertisement into the children's mind. Up to the age of 7 or 8, researchers say children can't understand the nature of advertising. Children cannot understand it. What advertisements want to do. They can't identify that the advertisement is trying to pursue them. Advertisement trying to convince the children in a different manners. What can parents do? Children are not going to completely give up TV or internet. Nowadays it is impossible to leave the TV and internet. With young children, the most important strategy is probably to cut down on screen time and the number of messages that children take in and to keep up with what they are seeing when they do watch TV or use the internet. So while they are watching the television and internet they are using, so number of advertisements are there on the screen and the children are watching all of them, okay, and it affected on the children's mind. But according to Dr. Robinson, when a child asks for something, parents should not simply turn them down. Now parents' responsibility is seen over here. Okay, so what is our responsibility? Parents' responsibility. With the different ideas, we have to cut the screen time of the children. Okay, we have to play with them sometimes. We have to give some time to the children. Now here, one of the ideas is given that according to Dr. Robinson, when child asks for something, if he is asking something, sometimes parents say, deny it. Go here, go from here. What do you have mommy? Like that way. So it is not good thing. We have to handle with care our child. So then we can be success in cutting down his screen time. Parents should not simply turn them down. They should help the child to recognize that they are being pursued. Dr. Robinson suggests that parents respond, well, why do you want that? Where did you hear about it? If the answer is that the child saw it on TV or internet, why did they put out that message? Do you think they want to buy it? Okay, now here we have to ask this type of questions to the children so that we can make them understand what the effects of advertisement on the child. Why do they want that? Talk to your children about why people sell things. So many things are selling in the market by the advertisement. Why they are selling it? If we are in need of that thing, then only we buy it. Otherwise, we should not purchase each and everything is advertised by the advertisers. Help your children understand that sellers want to sell things. That is their business. But buyers have to decide if they want to buy. If it is in need, then only we can buy. This we have to make understand the children. In our information rich world, we need to know the messages children are receiving and help them understanding what the world is trying to sell them. Means we have to make the children aware about the world would like to sell their things, their products by the help of advertisement. Here one of the more advertisement that I will explain you later. This is the Amul advertisement. We all know that Amul milk pita hai in India, is it? So that type of advertisement. So it is useful. Amul is a very useful product. Okay. Now some government advertisements are there. So all this nature of advertising we will study in the part 3. Thank you. Have a nice day.